Video, I want to talk about how you can create fast Taboola success and what you need to do to 2x your return on investment from your Taboola AdSense business as soon as possible. So again, for those of you interested in the one-on-one mentoring or the paid course, please just reach out to me via the link below and I'll be happy to help you create your own successful Taboola AdSense campaigns. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So when you're looking to create success on Taboola at speed, you want to be able to follow a few simple principles. You want to simplify your business operations to the most basic variables to create success: campaigns, funnels, targeting, CPC, launch, scale. And you want to be able to execute this on speed with clarity and execution. So there's a few strategies you can apply, especially if you're just beginning or you want to ramp up your Taboola AdSense businesses fast. The first thing you do is as soon as you wake up, obviously, if you have the time, you want to dedicate your time to doing at least an hour towards launching campaigns. You want to just get up, launch your campaigns. It could take 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. The most important thing is you get campaigns launched every single day to create success. The driving factor of success initially, until we create our passive income streams, is launching campaigns. Obviously, you need to launch it to the right target, right, following the right strategy, and depending on your cash flow. So for those of you who have a lot of cash, or for those of you who have low cash, I have different strategies to maximize your return. So if you have low cash, we go for the 5x, 10x low CPC strategy. And if you have a lot of cash, we go for the high CPC, high return on investment, maximize the funnel to maximize your revenue per user back strategy, depending on what you're focused on. So for those of you interested in the one-on-one mentoring or the paid course, please just reach out to me via the link below and I'll be happy to help you create your own successful Taboola AdSense campaigns. So again, let's just say you was focusing on the high CPC strategy. What we would do is we set up the campaigns, we're a bit higher than we usually do. We'll look at the data and we'll scale any campaigns that are winners. Obviously within that, we have the funnel optimization, applying any necessary optimization or tactics to maximize the revenue or the income from the campaign. But then once we're able to generate at that level, it can create passive income. The same applies for those of you who want to follow the low CPC strategy or the low investment, high return strategy, where basically once we're able to create a set of campaigns, there's a specific formula to scale up those campaigns to maximize that revenue, to maximize the volume you get, because when you're bidding low, they're going to limit the volume, so you have to be creative in ways, obviously, which I've solved already, to get more volume to those passive income campaigns. So again, for those of you interested in the one-on-one mentoring or the paid course, please just reach out to me via the link below, and I'll be happy to help you create your own successful Taboola AdSense passive income campaigns. So each strategy, we're aiming for a different return on investment. When we follow the low CPC strategy, we're aiming for 4x, 2x, 3x, even higher return on investment. It depends on the campaigns we hit. When we're approaching the high CPC strategy, we're aiming for a 50% return on investment and so on, and maybe higher or lower depending on the campaigns. But you're spending a lot more per day, you're spending a lot more per month, so obviously you're going to make a lot more overall in terms of your investment and your cash investment. So again, for those of you interested in a one-on-one mentoring or the paid course, please just reach out to me via the link below and I'll be happy to help you create your own successful Taboola AdSense campaigns. So depending on which strategy you're following, whether it's the low CPC or the high CPC strategy, which I go into much more detail in the one-on-one training and actually guide you through those strategies depending on obviously your cash and what your objectives and aims are for this business, how much money you want to make, how much you have to invest, and I'll guide you and help you create those results. So again, for those of you interested in the one-on-one mentoring or the paid course, please just reach out to me via the link below and I'll be happy to help you create your own successful Taboola AdSense campaigns. So in summary, when you're looking to launch fast, you have to develop the habit of launching new campaigns. You have to develop the habit of understanding exactly what it takes to be successful on Taboola, and then you have to execute at the beginning to create results like this. Thank you for watching this video and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.